Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to set up the wallpaper in your Google Pixel 9 Pro. So to this operation, slide up, go to settings, then go down and go to the wallpaper and style. And from here we can choose the wallpaper from the gallery of our phone. And we can set the wallpaper for the lock screen and for the home screen. Yep. So as you see, we're gonna choose some wallpaper from the home screen. Let's think this up and let's choose this wallpaper for the lock screen. And see that we have a new wallpaper here and also have a new wallpaper on the lock screen. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, or leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!